In which Indian state located Sundarban Tiger Reserve? Answer. West Bengal. Mudumalai National Park is located in which state of India? Answer. Tamil Nadu. Who is the first national park established in India? Answer. Jim Corbett National Park is the India's first national park was established in year 1936. Jim Corbett National Park is situated in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. Which is the first biosphere reserve in India? Answer. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Tamil Nadu. Which is the largest dam in India? Answer. Bahakar Nangal Dam, Himachal Pradesh. Bahakar Nangal Dam is a concrete gravity dam on the Satluj River in Bahakar village. This dam is situated in the Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. On which river Sardar Sarovar Dam is built? Answer. Narmada River. Which rivers flows between Vindhya and Satpura ranges? Answer. Narmada River. Somnath Temple is situated on the coast of which state of India? Answer. Gujarat. Which animal gives birth only once in lifetime? Answer. Female octopus. Which animal has the highest blood pressure in the world? Answer. Giraffe. Which is the first Indian Institute of Technology, IIT? Answer. IIT Kharagpur. Where is the headquarters of the Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC? Answer. Mumbai. Hypermetropia is corrected by using which type of lens? Answer. Convex lens.